Energy is a measure of the ability of an object or system to make something else move. It is a purely abstract quantity that is of interest because it is a conserved quantity. That is, if no energy is allowed to enter or leave a system, that system will always have the same amount of energy. However, that energy may transform to different types of energy over time. The unit of energy is the joule. The three types of energy we will need for this class are kinetic energy, or energy of motion; potential energy, which is stored energy or energy due to an object's position; and radiative energy, which will be discussed in the next chapter. The kinetic energy an object has is proportional to its mass and proportional to the square of its speed, as indicated by the equation shown. The two blocks on the left are moving at the same speed, but the block with twice the mass will have twice the kinetic energy. The two top blocks have the same mass. The block on the right is moving with twice the speed, so it has 2 squared, or 4, times the kinetic energy. Compare both right blocks. The bottom block has twice the mass, but since the top block is moving with twice the speed, it has the greater kinetic energy. Though the equation is shown and discussed here, the most important thing to take away from this is that the faster objects are moving, the more kinetic energy they have, be they blocks, asteroids, or molecules of gas. The only potential energy we will need for this class is gravitational potential energy. Potential energy is a bit tricky to deal with in any detail. It will suffice to understand that as objects fall toward a gravitating body, like a star or a planet, they lose gravitational potential energy. When you drop something, it loses gravitational potential energy. You will also notice that a dropped object gains speed as it falls, and therefore it gains kinetic energy. In fact, neglecting effects of air resistance, the amount of potential energy lost shows up exactly as the amount of kinetic energy gained. This is the conservation of energy at work.